is Chef Rugiati new steakhouse and I'm gonna spend the next days decorating it with my artworks. Let's meet the chef.
Marti, soltanto grazie di essere venuto perché io ho visto le tue opere e sono rimasto senza fiato. Prima ti devo raccontare dove siamo.
Perfetto, non vedo l'ora.
Andiamo. Bello aggressivo.
The chef gave me a tour of the restaurant, showing me the open kitchen and the large room where the main table was. Chef Rugiati explained to me that he wanted something that would bring attention to that part of the restaurant, and immediately told him that I had a great idea. Io ho in mente un'idea che secondo me, guarda, ma qua dentro invece che... Ah, però! Io ho tutto chiaro.
Allora Marti, questo è il logo per la cella frigo, le carni stanno crollando, ok? Aspetta, dettagli, forchetta a 2 punte così non la strizza la bistecca.
Chiaro.
Ho affilato tutti i coltelli. Tra una settimana apriamo. Ste pareti sono vuote. Ce la fai? Ce la fai? Ce la fai?
Ce la facciamo. We are back to the studio, so as you saw, the restaurant is focused on those warm colors with the kitchen, that you can see the fire, the glass, the brown plates, red chairs, golden lamps. So, of course, we will use those main colors, red, orange and yellow. Anyway, let me tell you what I decided to do. We will do a bull, because of course we have to represent the meat that the restaurant sells, and I will do a line art with the black thread on this orange background. Then I think I will do for sure the logo of the restaurant, and I thought for the long table that you saw with a huge wall, I will do the hands of Adam and God. The walls that are empty will be filled with all the artworks that I already did. The chef chose Circe and Elena from the Odyssey series, and then Diana and Rod. So let's go, we will do the bull now. So I have just finished the background, and as you can see, it's a little bit orange. So I want to try to break this huge color with some yellow. I want to do a V shape here on the bottom side with the artwork, so it can remind me like a flame from the kitchen, from the barbecue. And I will use a yellow acrylic thread. I think for the background that's it. I really love these straight lines, they're very aggressive. They are empowering this flame. Now with the black thread I will do the outline of the bull. As always, for the last layer I will use the spandex black thread. So as you can see, the bull is a little bit more defined. The outline is very clear. We have to do small details like the eye, the horns, tail, but it's kind of late now. So see you tomorrow in 3, 2, 1. The bull is still here. Let's continue. Are you guys ready for the final result? Voila! It gives you these aggressive vibes, violence that has the bull here with his eye. It's very angry. I really love it. Color is on point. This red is very brilliant, and with this yellow, it gives this result that remember me the fire. Now we will go with the logo, and I think I will keep this color palette. So I already prepared the board for the logo. This time we will use a circle because it will fit better with the design of the logo of the restaurant. And for background, I will use this yellow acrylic thread that you already saw in the background of the wall. So we finished the yellow background for the logo. Now we will take this apart and I will finish it at the opening of the restaurant with the last black thread. Meanwhile, we will do the double artwork of Adam and God. I will use this beautiful blue for the sky and this pink for the hands. And then, as usually, we will use the spandex black thread for the last layer. Let's go. So guys, I saw the image of the fresco. The sky is not blue, so I'm kind of ashamed. by myself, but I didn't remember that. We'll keep the background white, plain as that. And I will do right now the skin of the hands, and then we will proceed with the black thread. If I see that there is too much excess of pink, I will cover it up with a white layer. Otherwise, we will go with black. And I want to do a magic trick for you. I will do both at the same time. Let's try it. The color of the skin is done, and as you can see we have a little bit of excesses on the point of the fingers, and we will fix that with this white acrylic thread. So finally we did it. This was the last artwork that I had to do in my studio. Tomorrow we will do the logo at the restaurant. And guys, I'm very happy. I finished everything in time, something that artists usually don't do. Now we have to deliver the artworks to the restaurant, and I really want to see Chef Rugiati's face when he will see this. I'm here doing the black layer. It's very cool. I did a story on Instagram where I started doing this into the fridge with the meat, and it's pretty cool. I will share it. Let's finish this. It was an honor to collaborate with the chef, and I had a great time working on this project with him. It's been a long week, but I'm really satisfied. The color palette is spot on, and the artworks fit beautifully with the environment of the restaurant. What do you think? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.